Hello. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Uh, Today, just give me 1 minute. Just okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live trades. So here we we see the key data. Okay, let me see. Okay, the key data that is going to be out tonight is ADP non-farm employment change from the US, Canada GDP month on month, and US advanced GDP and employment cost index. Okay, and we also have a core PCE price index from the US. So these are the key data that is going to be out tonight. So as far as the trade life trades is concerned, we just give me a minute. I need to start. Give me 1 minute. Let me just start my server. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. So here, as of now, okay, the instruments that we can trade is we give. Just hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Okay, we can see a pound that has been down for the previous 360. Then dollar yen has been up, and this I think the strength is continuing to be seen, and this is above the previous day high. And dollar Swiss is also up, and right now I think the gold this is also pointing down. That means this is lower than the previous day and your current 360. So gold seems to be moving, so probably we will look into gold first before we look into the other currencies. So as far as the gold is concerned, I think right now this is in a range down on the 360 and range on the 120 and 60. Okay, range on the 120 and 60. So which means to say that we should be looking to sell near 3308 or 3314. Okay, so these are the selling levels or stop loss, and right now this is trading near the low, which is 3282. So we just have to see whether the price is going to go lower, or we should be looking to sell a bit higher. So let's get into the PT zones. I think this is all pointing down, so I think we have to look for the weekly RL1 as a support. Then also we look into the daily levels. So when we look into the daily levels market, we should be looking to sell near 3294. Okay, 3294, and expect the price to go lower. Okay, then we should see that 3277 break. If it breaks, then we should see the price moving even lower. Then as far as the weekly is concerned, I think we got to see 3270 break, 67 break for further weakness. Okay, so if we see, so these are the key levels. Right now this market is trading near the low, and more selling pressure is expected to continue, and we should be looking to go for a sell and hold for the price to move much lower. So with that, when we look into the chart, okay, when we look into the chart, uh, let's see what this the chart telling us. Okay, so again, I think as usual my data feed isn't good for the gold. So here we should see the price heading towards 65, and expect the 65 to break. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. So as far as this is concerned, remember I said 60 uh, minutes high. Okay, we should be looking to sell near 632.94, about 33 level. So as far as this 15-minute is concerned, so we should be looking to either look to buy, that means look to see further price weakness towards 3273, or look to sell near 3296. Okay, 3296 or 3300. So these are the two ways which we can trade from as it is. So as of now, we are expecting the price, because it's already in an oversold zone, so expect this downside weakness to be limited. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to go for a buy at 3270 or 65. Okay, 3270 or 65. Then we will try to go for a sell near 3294. Okay, so these are the two orders which we can look as of now, because this weakness is expected to continue for the next 2 to 3 hours. So this is the uh, only way we can trade. So another way is, right now I think I'm not sure whether this is the high. Okay, let me double check with that other system, then maybe we can go for a slightly lower level for a sell. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so I think we can go for a sell around 87 or 89. Okay, so expect this weakness to continue. So how we can trade? We can sell at 87, put a stop at above 91, then the TP would be about 74, 75. So that would be one trade which we are looking for. Then another trade would be looking to go for a buy lower. Okay, so let me give you the call. 3287 half, 3291 half, then expect the low to break 3275. Okay, so this should be our call, and this one is, I think, we'll give until 6:30. Then we will go for a buy. Okay, this is a counter trend. Okay, this is a counter trend. We'll go for a buy somewhere near 32655 or 70, 70, 72. Also we can go current week low, but since we have about 3 hours, so we might as well go for a lower level. Okay, then this one, I think we should exit before 75 or 77. So probably we'll exit at 74 half. And this is a counter trend move. Okay, and this one, expect this price to move lower, and this is going to be about 730. Okay, so this is the call for the gold. Then we would see, like early on I said, I'm looking for uh, pound. Okay, pound and dollar yen and dollar Swiss. Okay, so these are the three crosses which we are looking for. So as far as the pound is concerned, pound is concerned, we will try to. Right now, market is trading at 133.70. Okay, and current high is 3415. Previous high is 3445. Let me share the screen. 3445. So which is making a lower high, lower low. So I think this is already breaking the previous day low. So let's look into the chart. I think this target we can see 3310 or 20. Okay, 3320 is a comfortable target, 20 or 30. So but let's evaluate uh, on the chart. So looking at that, market is expected to test 3280 or 3350 based on the chart, and market is creeping lower because it's not a free fall. So this is creeping lower. So we should be looking to sell at 33. The stop loss should be above 334 420. Okay, so then our entry, we will try to enter at 3390. Okay, 90, TP at 3330, stop loss 3420. Okay, so this should be our trade setup for pound. Okay, I repeat, selling at 3390, 3420 stop, 3330 as our TP, and this one expiry we can give about 1.5 hours. Of course, we can go for another sell at 3410, which is your day trading call. Okay, so this is going to be a day trading call. Sell at 3410 This is based on the data tonight. We're having a data, so stop at 3440 and 3290. Remember, 3280 is final target for today. So this one we can try to go for one lot, and expiry we try to be it before, I would say, the data. Okay, data is out around 8:30, so maybe about 9 o'clock. Okay, so this should be our next call. So this is for pound. Okay, the next trade we are going to look for is dollar yen. Dollar yen, we are seeing the trend up on the daily as well. That means it's trading above your previous day high. So expect the strength to continue. So right now the market is trading at 42.95, and we expect the price to test 43.30 or even higher. So your current day low is higher than your previous day low. So we should have bought near that low. So now your current high is higher than your previous day high. So expect this trend to continue. So again, our stop loss, our TP, I'm looking at 43.30, 43.50 or higher, 43.50, 43.30, and our entry should be uh, near the 360 low, or above the previous 360 low, which is 142.35. So uh, so here, uh, let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, let me look into the chart. So remember, I said this is above the previous day high. So what we can do is we can try to buy at 42.70, stop at 30, and target, we can look at 43.30 or 43.50. That means there is about 60 pips move that is available to utilize, and after that we should see the price coming off and turning down. Okay, so here the next signal we are going to give is, okay, trying to buy dollar yen 14270, 30, 14330 and 14350. Okay, we have two price targets. Okay, so this is again, we will give about 1 hour for this trade. That means we should be putting in about another 1 hour, so for this trade to get seen. Okay, the next call we are going to work on is dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss right now this is trading at 82.50. Okay, 82.50. So right now we are seeing the high is near the previous day high, and current low is higher than your previous day low. So we should be looking to go for a buy. Expect the high to break, and if it breaks, I think we can see the price heading towards 82.95 and 83.10. Okay, so these are the price target. Okay, so here again we try to buy because this is lacking strength. So if you look into the chart, we should be looking to put a stop at 82.15. In fact, even today's low is 82.25. So we can put at about 82.20. Then expect this high to break, and once it breaks, we see 82.85 or 82.95. Okay. So again, we look to go for a buy. So we'll go for a buy around 82.30. And 82.10, and either 82.80 and 82.95. We have three price targets. It's 82.85, 82.95 and 83.10. Okay, so these are the three price target. Okay, so here we are giving three uh, signals. Okay, so we are trying to sell gold, we are trying to sell pound, we are trying to buy dollar yen, we are trying to go for a buy on the dollar Swiss. So what I'm going to do, I mean, I'm just going to, because the prices are quite far, so I'm not sure whether this price, the order is going to get filled soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the session a bit early. Then I'm planning to have one more session in the night, okay, because today's got data announcement. So probably we may have the session at 9 p.m., the one more session. So on that session, maybe we might spend more time because tomorrow is Labor Day and tomorrow is May Day. I think a lot of markets is on leave. So that one also, I think we can check tomorrow. But I think US will be on because US got no May Day. Okay, China. Okay, China, Swiss, Euro, German, Italy, all are holiday. Okay, I think UK is on, I think. So UK is on and US is on. So tomorrow there will not be any evening session, and tomorrow most likely it will be a night session. So tonight, night session will be spending more time than tomorrow night. Okay, so tomorrow evening also we don't have any session. So I just want to highlight to you that. Okay, so good luck for those people who are taking the trades, and let's see what is the outcome. Then tonight, when we see we do more live trades, then probably we might try to capture the moves. Okay, so thank you very much. Looking forward to see you again. So I'll see you again tonight and tomorrow night. Okay, tomorrow evening there is no session. Okay, thank you. Bye.